kids! Today, we are drawing wild animals. Let's draw together. First, we draw hippo. Hippos spend most of the day in water to stay cool. They're like giant swimmers. They can even walk underwater. So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Did you know hippos eat grass at night? Yum yum, up to 150 pounds. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's coloring. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Superstar. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. Now, we draw a crocodile. Crocodiles live in rivers and lakes. Did you know that? Crocodiles can hold their breath underwater for up to 2 hours. Crocodiles are fast swimmers. Zoom! And they eat fish, birds, and sometimes big animals. Wow! 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 Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Superstar. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings.
The water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
We are drawing a dinosaur. Our dinosaur is called Stegosaurus. Did you know that? Stegosaurus was a gentle plant eater from a long, long time ago, about 150 million years.
Stegosaurus was as long as a school bus and had a spiky tail for protection.
Let's coloring. Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super Star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. Hello, kids! Today, we are drawing elephant family. Let's draw together. First, we draw mother elephant. We are drawing face of the mother elephant. Look at the eyes. Wow, so cute eyes.
Rock-a-bye, baby.
So awesome. Now, we are drawing baby elephant. Baby elephant is just besides of her mother. So cute, baby elephant. Do you know, elephant is the biggest animal of the earth? If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's do coloring. video. Take care!